Ndorithia umwe na rietwa Rose Mwathe na rombetera Ruto na munini wa Rigathi Gachagua kuthongira na kumutethereria kirinkushanio gatagati kawe na muntu ungi uria akuga gakwenda kumutunya UTONGA BWAWE ARIUGA onethirwa ni muthiu koti na gutindaga kuthie kwa polisi na gucumbukira ku na riu arienda gwikarua ni watho. Anthony Kadenya niwe uri na riboti inu.
Rose Mwathe ni mwonjorithia amuja Nairobi. Muthenya ndi athingatene na wakili wa John Amino akinyira obisini ja kambuni ya Royal Palms Limited, kambuni la kwa thaino ejokitio tongole ba nyombe Magic Plaza agatigati kamujwa Nairobi nyombe la kuganiwe abatele kwithira rungamirite. Rose akibanenkagira barua ya wadhibwa koti baba nyombani eno.
I have a court order, I have a stay order, I am in court as the rightful person who should be in this building.
Kulingana na Rose Mwathe aombire kwithirwa kijukio rungamiri bwa nyombe eno mwaka wa 2021 na batiri kwithirwa milungamirite kwa miaka 10 ejete. Aidha kulingana na mwene nyombe eno na rito virarashani ya mungalokite na kunenkanilo rungamiri bwa nyombe eno kile kambuni ingi na rito Royal Palms. Rose akiwa kambuni eno yatonye na imwana nyombani eno na kumwingata kinyume na watho.
We entered into an agreement so that I can lease their mall. That is after they auctioned, after Tusky supermarket was auctioned. I built 526 stalls in this mall, as you can see, and have a valid lease for 10 years. Mr. Viral came and told them to pay someone else. And most of the tenants started paying him. They stopped paying me. We were still in court as of July when somebody by the name Royal Palm came into this building. He came with pangas and guns. I was evicted in the office. My people were evicted from this office by people with pangas. Today my manager has a cat. And I can tell the media that I can even show how I took that manager to court.
A few individuals who want to reap where they have not harvested, using goons, come use goons, remove a lady from a genuine business, purport to take over the business, purport to collect rent, and we say we have a government in place.
Mwonjorithia juluni akulia Rais William Ruto na munini wa Rigathi Gachagua gutonyela na kumutethira gucokeria rungamiri bwa nyombe eno akigweta gatimageria mae makugwatotethio kiri polisi matijarite matunda. Rose na wakili John Amino bakigweta gatiga kwangaikwa nontu ni MWEKURU.
I'm asking the president, I'm asking the deputy president and whoever can come and assist me to come and assist me. I voted for the Asla nation, and today the Asla person cannot access their buildings because these Asians and Mr. Anthony Mutai, the owner of Royal Palm, think that they can come and take my building, which I've done effortlessly. I did this building during COVID time when everybody was home. I've managed to create all this employment for 526 tenants. And today I'm being evicted just because I'm a woman.
Women or our women in this country who try to get into business are treated in a very primitive manner, very objectionable manner. This lady, Rosemary, should be allowed to continue with her business. She has borrowed huge sums of money from the bank, about 150 million shillings that she borrowed. And she is in financial problem now if she's not saved by the law, by those who administer justice in this country.
Kagita yake ni biashara nyombani na bolti Rose Mwathe Royal Palms na virasha kudiria mpadoji yao bati kuangalata ni rutingo gebwao bwa biashara nyombani eno.
Our interest is not to determine who is in possession or who is not in possession. Our interest is to ensure, my personal interest as an advocate is to ensure that my clients are allowed to conduct business in a peaceful manner, in a manner that does not scare away their customers.
kuma muji munene wa Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony, rangi wa Kathenyi.